Hello, good day friends. Welcome. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you guys a new quantitative platform that you can actually earn from. You can see this a live trading account that I'm going to be making a live withdrawal on this account. So quickly, let me show you guys how to get started. Now, this is the link to the platform. You are going to find it in the comment section of this video. Now, I'm showing you guys this information is valid to those people that are in Nigeria. Now, this information is valid for you can see this is the current rate of what USDT in converting it to Naira, and this is what you are going to be earning in the space of 7 days, and this is what you are going to be earning in the space of 10 days. Depending on how much you stake on this platform. This is currently like 2x and above. So quickly, let me show you guys how to get started on this platform. Now, this platform is called Polkadot, and this is how the earning interest is. Quickly, let me show you guys. Now, for you to get started on this platform, all you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or check down the pinned comments in this video. Now, you're going to see there is what 7.50% per day. There is different rates that you are going to be earning on this platform. You can see it's rightly displayed here. So quickly, let me get started. Let me show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can navigate this platform. Now quickly, I'm just going to click on get started, and then I click on register. For you to register an account, all you just need to do is to input an email here, input a login password, and then a security password, and then you are logged in straight. For me, I already have an account, so all I just need to do is to log in immediately to my own account. So let's quickly get started, guys, so you can see for yourself. Now please make sure what you pay attention to this video, and so that you can follow every step that I'm showing you guys. Now this is it. I'm currently logged into the platform. Now once you are logged into the platform, a detail is going to be displayed on your screen, so you can look at this is it. You can look at it thoroughly so you can understand, but I'm going to be showing you guys what you need to do here. So I'm just going to cancel it. Now I've showed you guys. Now for this, now we are going to be staking for the period of what 26 days. You can see my own, I'm recharged with around 25 USDT, and I want to stake for the period of 26 days. So I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to click on 25, what I have, and then I am pledging it for around 26 days. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to what click on staking. Now once I click on staking, you are going to see it's telling me to confirm. Once I confirm it, you are going to see my staking is confirmed, and this is what I'm going to be earning, which is approximately 3.55 USDT per day. Now 3.55 USDT per day, if you convert that to Naira every day, you are earning approximately 5,600 plus if you convert it to Naira, and in the next 10 days you'll be earning around 56,000 Naira. That's 2x of what I'm starting up here with. So quickly, let me just make this withdrawal before I show you guys how you can actually recharge on this platform. Let me just go and copy my USDT BEP20 network address. So I'm just going to come here and tap on receive here. I copy it here, and then I go back to the platform. Now remember that you input you started in with your login password, right? And then you input a security password. So now let me just use my security password, so that I'm going to quickly make withdrawal on this. I'm just going to come here and input the security password right here and do it this way, and then that is it. So I'm going to tap on confirm withdrawal, and my withdrawal is confirmed immediately. So please make sure you pay attention to every details that I've explained here, so you can know how to actually earn and maximize this information. Now if you want to also, if you feel like you want to refer your friend, but before you refer somebody, ensure that you yourself you are actually earning. I'm going to show you guys the confirmation of the withdrawal that I just made in the live trading account that I showed you guys. Now if you want to refer your friends, you can just tap on refer here, and then you're going to see your link, and then you're going to use it to refer people. Now I've showed you guys how the staking is. Now if you want to recharge, you're just going to come here, click on recharge right here, and you are going to see different network that you can use to recharge. We have the USDT BEP20 right here, we have TRC20 network, we have TRX, we have BNB, we have BEP20 USDC. Now before you are going to recharge, please make sure that you have seen the staking balance that you want to use to recharge, and how much you want to use, how much your target, your earning rates on a daily basis. Now this is actually an official disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys the things I do on the cryptocurrency space for me to earn daily. Now what you are going to understand when it comes to stuffs as this is that you are going to note that if you want to get into stuff as this, please make sure that you are making use of funds that you have the ability to let's go. So let's just quickly refresh this. Let's see if our earning has arrived. Most definitely it has arrived. Yeah, I'm very sure about that. You can see this our withdrawal that we place, and it is right here in our account. So this is what I'm going to be earning approximately in the next 10 days and above, as far as the platform continue to exist. Remember, I did a calculation of 1,623 USDT. That's if you're in Nigeria. This information is valid to you. If you are watching this video outside the country, then you should know that you are earning approximately 3.5 USDT. So you are going to multiply it by the number by what 26 days. You understand? So if I multiply this earning by 26 days, you are going to see that this is what I'm supposed to earn in 26 days. This is 147,000. But what I normally do here is that I calculate my ROI, that is the return of my investment for around 7 days or 10 days, give or take. So I'm just doing 10 days to play safe. So within 7 days, I've already earned, let's go for 7 days. Now remember this is what I'm earning in 3 days in per day, 5,680. I'm converting it to naira, you understand? So if I convert in 7 days, you can see I've already gained back what I started up with a level of interest. So as long as the platform continues to exist, I'm going to be earning more. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Please pay attention to this video and pay attention to full details so you don't make any mistake. Find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can join my Telegram channel and participate in different token adoption. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe.